Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you have an Upstart loan, you might be wondering, how can I pay it off earlier? Can I refinance it for a better rate? The answer is yes. So today I'm going to show you how to refinance your Upstart loan for a lower interest rate, as well as how to pay off your loan faster and save on interest, and also how to avoid unnecessary fees. So let's dive in. Now, first, can you refinance an Upstart loan? So Upstart doesn't offer direct refinancing, but you can refinance with a new personal loan from another lender at a much lower rate. Also, you can refinance from a balance transfer credit card that has a 0% APR promo, as well as a home equity loan if you own a home. Now, step 2 is going to be on how to refinance with another personal loan. So here's how to do that. First, you want to check your current loan balance and interest rates in Upstart, and then you want to shop around on sites like Lending Club, Sophie, or Lightstream for lower rates, and then just apply for a new personal loan. So choose debt consolidation as the reason. Now, if approved, use the funds to pay off your Upstart loan in full. Now, you only have one new loan with a lower interest rate. This method works if your credit score has improved since taking the original loan, so you want to take notes of that. Now, step 3 is paying off your Upstart loan faster. So Upstart doesn't charge prepayment penalties, so you can pay off your loan early without any extra fees. And here are 3 strategies to pay off faster. The first is to make extra payments. So even an extra $50 a month can shave off on your loan. You also want to switch to bi-weekly payments. So instead of paying once a month, pay half your amount every 2 weeks. Now, this results in one extra full payment per year. And you can also use windfalls, so tax refunds, bonuses, or side hustles income can go straight into your loan. You can make extra payments anytime in the make a payment section of your Upstart account. Now, the fourth step is using a 0% APR credit card to pay off Upstart. So another trick is to use this to pay off your loan, and here's how this works. So you qualify for a card with 0% interest rate for 12 to 18 months. And the credit limit is high enough to cover your Upstart balance, and you can pay it off before the promo period ends. Otherwise, high interest rates is going to kick in. So if done right, you can pay off your loan without paying any more interest. So you can go ahead and make use of this card to pay off your Upstart loan. Now, the fifth point is, should you refinance or pay off early? So basically, you refinance if your credit score is higher now. Also, refinance if you qualify for a lower interest rate, or if you want to lower your monthly payments. But I recommend that you go for payoff early if you have extra money and you want to be debt-free sooner, or if you want to save on interest without refinancing, or if you don't need to keep extra cash for emergency. Now, if you're unsure, use an online loan payoff calculator to easily compare your options. And yeah, that's how you refinance or pay off your Upstart loans faster. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.